I'm so excited to introduce to you a brand new partnership with an incredible scrapbooking company, Scrap Collections USA. I've been in the crafting industry for 2 decades now, and through the years, a highlight is attending an annual hobby trade show. The name of our association has changed over the years, as has the location of our convention. But the feeling of excitement when attending the trade show is always the same. I had the pleasure of attending Creativation in February 2020 in Phoenix, Arizona. Can you even imagine all of your favorite scrapbooking manufacturers under one roof? It's always a joy to reconnect with good friends and check out the latest trends. If you've purchased our kits before, you know one of the things that sets us apart is our inclusion of dimensional embellishments. It's not unusual to have $5 to $10 retail in page adornments. My goal that February 2020 was to find the newest and uber creative embellishments for our page kits. And man, did I strike gold. In the new manufacturer section of the convention were these incredible laser die cuts made from mat board. I scanned the rows and rows of creative goodness, and I just knew we had to incorporate this company's product in our kits. I think I spent my entire budget in their one booth. We'll show you the scores of Scrap Collections USA products that we are adding to our website today. But first, let's hear from one of the owners and a dear friend, Al Hopton.
Hi, everyone. I am so delighted to be part of your program today. My name is Al Hopton, and I am one of the owners of a new company here in the U.S. called Scrap Collections USA. On one of my many trips back to South Africa, I saw these stunning, amazing laser cuts my cousin was making and said to her, "There is nothing like this in America." So in January of 2020, we decided to bring our products to the U.S. Well, we all know what happened in 2020, and it put us on hold as we could not ship. Well, we are back and looking forward to growing our business with companies like the whole kit and caboodle. Scrap Collections was founded 10 years ago, and as I said, by my cousin Lorna. We produce intricate, engraved, and laser cut accessories for the scrapbooking market. All the items are made from photo card stock paper and are both acid and lignin free. Here's an example of the type of item and the detail that we produce. As you can see, the heavy engraving that is on the actual item, and then the intricate laser cutting on the actual lasers that we do. We are very excited to be working with Andrea and her team. The whole kit and caboodle is an amazing company to be associated with, and we are honored that they have selected us to be included in this program today. I know Andrea and her team are going to show you how you can use our products in some of your scrapbooking projects. We have produced a short animated video about our company and the products we produce, which I'm sure Andrea will be showing you. I really appreciate the opportunity to be part of your program. I think you are going to love our products. So have a wonderful day and happy scrapbooking. Goodbye.
And I too know that you are going to completely love their products. Al is a complete joy to partner with and exemplifies perfection of customer service. We were able to receive that first shipment of lasers last March before international shipping was halted due to COVID. You may remember some of these designs using the Scrap Collections USA title die cuts. Throughout the time of international shutdown, Al continued to reach out with updates and progress of new products and potential shipments from their South African office. They created this short animated video to give you a peek at their South African operations. Take a look.
Hello, and welcome to Scrap Collections. Before I tell you about what we do, let me introduce you to the team, the heart of the company. The Scrap Collections design team consists of Elwyn, Caroline, Sam, and Lorna. Scrap Collections was started in 2011. We have a wide range of 12 by 12 inch single-sided printed paper with matching engraved laser cuts and cardstock. Our detailed and engraved laser cuts are very unique and our signature product, designed to match our themed paper. The lasers are sold separately and can be custom designed to suit your needs and themes. Our aim is to launch new paper every month with the matching lasers, which will be featured on a newsletter, website, and Facebook. Each collection consists of 6 new paper designs and 8 beautiful lasers for you to design a double or single page. We offer kits already made by our design team with notes and all the products to make this ready-made kit in your home. Paper grammage, 150-gram acid-free paper. Lasers, acid-free colored photo mount 1.5mm board. Our product process begins once concept generation has taken place, taking into account our customers' needs. We have selected experienced designers who design our paper and lasers for us. Once we receive the artwork, the paper is edited, printed, and cut to size and packed. Our laser artwork gets loaded onto our laser machines, which is then engraved and cut on different color photo mount board. Once the jobs are completed on the laser machines, they are cleaned and checked to make sure the product is of high quality. After the checking process is complete, the lasers then get packaged, labeled, and sealed, ready for dispatch. The layout designer creates a layout using the corresponding paper, lasers, and cardstock for each range, which we sell in a kit form. The exclusive product is launched to our store owners at a small workshop where we inspire them to create the single or double page layouts from the instructions provided in the kit. We pride our company on efficiency, quality, and friendly service.
I think we all need to hop on a plane and host an event at their place, right? You can quickly see why this partnership is such a great match. Their keen attention to detail and prioritizing customer service mimics the core values of the whole kit and caboodle. Not only are we offering their laser die cuts, this is the first time ever in our history that we are offering another company's pre-designed kits. That's how much respect I have for their designers and their owners. A highlight today is the introduction of 6 Scrap Collections page kits. From Disney to travel, each one of these designs are a must-have. Take a look at these fabulous designs. We also have lasers and page kits remaining from their introduction at the Mega Meet. Nick is going to give you the highlights.
Hey gang, I'm here to show you some of the kits that we are offering from the company Scrap Collections USA. Let's take a look. So right away, I'm noticing these mat board dies. And look, we have this tall giraffe. You can even use it as a ruler. Really just a bunch of cool little cute creative ways to showcase a new baby in the family. And I love them. Baby Adventure. This die, for example, I'm not sure if you can see on the camera, but this texture, it's 3D, it's real. It's not just a 2D image on a piece of mat board. You can feel the ridges and the texture behind it. And another fun aspect, for this one specifically, this kit, you will have several of these dies left over. So in this kit, for example, I believe Cuddles Are the Best is used. We have Loved, but in the future, maybe there's a baby who loses a tooth. You can make one page that's about losing a first tooth, or maybe you see your child take their first few steps. You can document that in another page. So really, with the amount of dies that this kit provides, you could definitely double the mileage. So here, as you can see, this kit is a 2-page spread, but you could easily make it a 4-page spread with all these elements. You would just gently cut or snap off the little elements that you need for each page, glue them on. I would use a dry adhesive for these, just because I think a wet adhesive would be too runny. But if you do not have a dry adhesive, tacky glue would work just as well, I believe. You just would want to make sure that not to use too much so it doesn't get too runny, too messy. You know, these dies are just adorable, and we want to keep them adorable, right? But still, I am just enamored by these dies. I mean, I have a cousin. He and his wife, they recently had a baby 6 months ago. I could see making a page with these, 2 pages, and still having left over to make more items, cards, other scrapbook pages. Now, as you can see, each kit will come with a visual sample that'll help you when you are putting them together. They also have a list of what they call requirements. It really makes it easy when putting your kits together. This is a South African company, so as you can see, maybe on the screen, they use centimeters. South Africa uses the metric system, so with our kits in the whole kit and caboodle, you will be accustomed to using inches. Here, they use centimeters. As you can see, they also will use commas in place of decimal points. That's just something other countries do. If you do get a kit that has metric system measurements and you are more accustomed to imperial system measurements, so think inches, feet, yards versus meters, centimeters, not to worry, a quick Google search and conversion will help you figure out how big each cut should be. And in the future, when we receive kits from Scrap Collections USA, they will express measurements in inches. However, 2.54 centimeters make up 1 inch. So if you keep the number 2.5 in mind, that conversion isn't too difficult. I'll wrap this up by looking at one more kit. This one is Halloween themed. Ugh, these dies! Look at this pumpkin. It's so intricate. You know, thinking about Cinderella, I can easily believe that a pumpkin from her garden turned into a carriage if the pumpkin looked like this. I think it's prettier than the carriage itself. Sorry, fairy godmother. The intricacies of these dies, oh, they just make me want to clock out of work right now and just play with them all day. And I'd like to think that a good crafting company really can put their mark on the industry. So maybe you can look at their products and say, oh, that product was made by this company. Or I know that Andrea Deermeyer designed that kit. And I think Scrap Collections USA can say the same thing. But without further ado, I'll go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you have a good rest of your day and enjoy the products. Happy shopping! All of these products are currently available on our website and shipping soon. You can find the products by clicking the Scrap Collections USA tab. You can also find their products along with all the other products introduced today by clicking the ELF banner at the top of our homepage. We have a slew of more products to introduce today. We will meet you back here at 5 o'clock Eastern Time for the full rundown.